Tutorial: Advanced Features in Simulation Mode. This tutorial demonstrates advanced features in simulation mode. To make the PDU list visible if it isn't already, click here to expose it. Click this button to create a new scenario. Notice that the packet at PC0 has disappeared. New scenarios are initially blank. Rename the scenario by highlighting the text and typing in a new name. Additional information about the scenario can be entered into the Scenario Description window. Click on PC0 to access the Command Prompt window. Issue a ping by entering another device's IP address. Without closing the Command Prompt window, click on the workspace to view the Event List window again. The ping that was issued in the PC's Command Prompt window shows up in the Event List window, but not in the PDU List window. Click the Capture Forward button to start time and execute the ping. Click PC0 to bring the Command Prompt window back into focus. After a ping is successful, the result appears in the Command Prompt window. Ping Router 2 from PC0 to see how Packet Tracer displays QoS in simulation mode. Note that the network being used in this example has been configured with QoS earlier. This step is not shown in the tutorials. Click on Capture Forward until the ICMP packet is shown on Router 2. Notice that the packet on Router 2 has a small square mark on the lower right corner. This is a QoS stamp. It identifies packets that have the type of service field set. QoS stamps on packets can be hidden from view by going to the Options window. Click on the checkbox to hide the QoS stamps. Close the Options window to view the changes in the workspace. The QoS stamp is no longer visible on the packet. To show the QoS stamps again, go back to the Options window to change the settings for it. The QoS stamp is now visible again on the packet. Click here to create a complex PDU. Select the source device. The Create Custom PDU window appears after a source device has been selected. PDU properties can be specified in this window. The outgoing port can be selected manually or automatically. Certain protocols or applications for the PDU can also be selected. In this case, ping is used. The destination address can be entered manually by typing it in this field or automatically by clicking on the destination device. The source address can be entered manually or left blank. The time that the packet can exist before it is discarded can be controlled by the TTL field. The PDU type of service for QoS purposes can be changed by setting a value in the TOS field. Refer to the help files for more details. The sequence number must be updated when using custom PDUs. This allows devices to determine whether or not ping packets have been duplicated, dropped, or reordered. The size of the PDU may be modified using this field. Under Simulation Settings, One-Shot or Periodic can be selected. One-Shot sends only a single packet at the time specified. Periodic continually sends packets at specified intervals. In this case, the periodic setting is used. Click this button to create the PDU. The PDU window displays the properties of each PDU created. Toggle the PDU list window to see the information easily. Double-clicking on the Fire button adds the PDU to the event list window. The Last Status window displays the last failed or successful status of the PDU. Source indicates where the PDU is coming from. Destination indicates where the PDU is headed. This indicates the PDU type. The color column option is used to change the color of the packet. Double-click the color tile to open the selected color window. Select a new color and click OK to apply the color change. The color change is reflected on the workspace, event list, and PDU list windows. The time column shows the time that the PDU will be fired in regard to the event list timeline. The periodic column indicates whether the PDU is repeated or not. The number column indicates the order in which the PDU was created. PDU settings may be modified by double-clicking on Edit. Double-click on Delete to remove the selected PDU. Click the Delete button in the PDU list area to delete the whole scenario. Click on the Toggle PDU List button again to move the PDU list window to its original position. This ends the Advanced Features in Simulation Mode tutorial.